What's going on, guys? Jacob Doty here, back for another vlog, and today this is gonna be pretty quick. Got some carbon here with my buddy Oscar. I know I haven't posted a video in a couple days. That's because the Mustang is down, so the interior is currently all stripped out of there. Let me show you guys that really quick. Hopping into the Mustang. I really do not have an interior. It's all stripped out, as you can see. You guys have probably heard me talk about it, but I am going yellow seatbelts in the car, so they'll be here tomorrow, but this has been like a week down without the car, so that's why I haven't had anything to upload. But since we have some carbon in, and a little hint of something I'm gonna be doing next time, I guess.
Let's do it. Do you have the...
Ooh, those taillights though. Got mom's car still looking all nice. Gotta do a little tweak to our left exhaust tip, but we're working on that. She's also got some parts coming in. So this is what Oscar's working with right now. It's just the plastic texture that, you know, all Ford products have pretty much. So this is gonna be awesome and completely carbon fiber.
Just show him the lip of how
low?
Damaged it.
Yeah, this dude has to get used to driving low because he damaged the freaking lip. Good thing those are pretty cheap though. What is it? It's an 8.
Yep, that's an 8.
Ford. Good thing I have an 8.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because I had that for my battery.
No, dude.
Is it bigger?
Yeah, it's huge.
Is that a turbo? That's a turbo. This guy still has an old school hood prop. While Oscar's getting the right socket, I just want to give you guys a quick update. I have a new shifter going into the Mustang. I picked up an MGW, which I'm pretty stoked about. If you guys have me on Instagram, you would have seen that. And also, oh God, cut short on the update. Just know that you do want to stay tuned because we have lots of mods coming for the Mustang. Or Mustangs, as I should say.
Yeah. These first, and then it slips out.
So it'll just fly down your hood?
Huh?
So it's just gonna slip right down.
No, because the other tabs are like, you slip it in like this. So it's the little tab, like you push it in. Like, it's like the diffuser we did.
Oh, the diffuser?
Yeah, do you have a flathead?
Wow, you can actually see at night with this.
Yeah, we got like 10 minutes, so.
Oh, those are my chanclas. I got it.
Get the light.
Boom, I told you, dude, I was right.
Did it pop right out?
Yeah. You just push it in.
Oh.
What the hell's wrong with yours?
So once you have the tabs pulled out, we actually found out it is 3M'd on. So you just kind of work your way around the edge. Don't pry against the hood, you can cause dents. So just lift off evenly along the edge, stick your finger into there, you'll be good to go. And as you can see, it's getting pretty dark. I don't need this. I ain't no bitch. So how do we get the middle?
Yeah, watch out. Careful with the resale value.
Yeah, we're gonna reuse this. Here's this thing. I have it on my head. Light it. We got the hood vent off. It's all just 3M taped all along this edge right here, so you do have to pry it up. Be careful, don't push against your hood too much. We will clean it up, take off the old one, and we'll apply a new little piece all along here on the new carbon. Stock piece, as you can see, this is the 3M, so pretty easy. These little lips, they kind of slip right in and then pops in. Now we have a little bit of 3M. This is literally all I had left, so this is what we're working with. Here's our 3M tape in a couple of spots. We have this part all cleaned up, so now we're going to install it. Obviously you want to use isopropyl alcohol, and now we're going to stick her on. So we'll show you guys the finished product. It's pretty simple. We're going to pull the tape, we're going to slide it on in the reverse of the process, and then just put one little nut on that bolt and we'll be good to go.
Dude, I'm gonna need your help.
So now we have that little nut on that bolt, and we're going to drop the hood and see Oscar's reaction at night. At night.
Looks OEM.
What do you think?
Dude, that looks way better.
That looks sick. And we only used minimal amounts of 3M, so.
Oh, the fitment's great.
Yeah, the fitment's actually really good. And you know what? I thought the silver was gonna stick out too much, but since he has the white stripes, it looks almost like white. I think it looks pretty good. Oh, get to the detailing, get to the detailing. That thing actually does have some nice shimmer on it. Just so you guys know, I do have some carbon coming, so stay tuned for that. How do you feel?
Look at that carbon.
It does look pretty sick. Carbon always looks sick.
Now I just need the entire car carbon.
Sick. Alright guys, so that's going to wrap up this video. It was kind of short and in the dark, sorry about that, but I need to get something out for you guys, give you guys a couple updates and let you know what's happening to my car. So if you guys enjoyed, please comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.